Hi, this is a do-it-yourself way to make an eyeglass finder using an Android Pro tile, which sounds the loudest of all the tiles, and simple Scotch tape. It's brought to you by the MP3 single Man Made a Monkey by the band Ventriloquism, available online at Amazon, iTunes, etc. Simply wrap Scotch tape around the Pro tile and the outside of your frame in a spot where you feel comfortable, like this. Anyway, hope you enjoy Man Made a Monkey by Ventriloquism, and my do-it-yourself eyeglass finder tips is helpful for you. Have a good day. Bye.
Monkey made of ape. Some people are ugly, that's how we get our shape. Fat boy, slim boy, savage or a slob. The world is mean and evil, and we all need a job. Well, yeah. Earth is made of mammal, mammoth made of fur. Man is just a baby, and woman's just a girl. Once I met a mermaid lounging on a wolf. She pulled me underwater and showered me with love, that's right. But with love, it ain't gonna change. But some people are a little bit strange. Man made a monkey made a clown. Especially if he's living in a world turned upside down. It's good for relations, it's good for mankind. Understand my actions, but please don't rock me blind. But love has got the answers within. I said love has got the answers, and I mean that's the thing. I said man made a monkey made of ape. Don't forget bonobo, that's how we get our shape. Share with me some loving, show me round the world. And if you can't stop loving, you're gonna get the girl.